Okay, so let's go to our backend. Start from the route auth, update profile link. I think we should put that here. It's related to link, so this one router dot delete, so delete route. We call that link delete slash. We should be receiving the link ID in the route params. Okay, and here this will be for the logged in user only. Require sign in. Okay, so that's for like unlike. That's right, so like unlike anyone can do, but to delete it has to be the correct user. Okay, so we can do that check in the controller itself. So require sign in, and let's call it link delete. By the way, don't use this delete controller function because this delete is a reserved keyword, so you cannot use that here in JavaScript. Alright, so link delete. Let's go ahead, create this function in our links controller. Exports link delete equals to async request response. We try catch any error, console log the error. So here what we want to do is we want to first, before we even execute, try to execute delete the link from the database, we want to make sure that this is the correct user. The one who created, he is the one actually trying to delete. All right, so first let's find this link. Okay, so link equals to await link find by ID. First, before we remove, we just want to find out request params link ID. Okay, so once we find, we can also use dot. Actually, we can just use select. We just want to select the posted by, because I want to know the ID, the posted by ID of this link which is about to get deleted. Right now we can then check if the link posted by ID match the currently logged in user's ID. Then we can find the link, apply this function find by ID and remove, give the link ID, so that way we can find the correct link and it will remove, because that's what this function does. Awesome, right? Then actually we can put it in a variable const deleted equals to that one, and then we can response JSON deleted. Beautiful. Okay, now this toString, when you compare these two strings, the MongoDB ID, that is actually saved as a string. So if you want to use triple equal operator, you have to use toString. If you don't want to use toString, then you have to use only double equal operator. So let's leave it like this, and let's give it a try. Link delete. Okay, so if it matches, only then we are deleting this. Perfect. Okay, so let's try. So this is the current user. He let's say she wants to remove, and how good is that? That is instantly removed. Have a look at here. Delete request, it was successful, and here you can see we updated the user links. This is the list of user links that has been updated. Now let's see if it has been updated in the global context as well. It has been updated because there was one link we had on the top which had no image, so we were showing this default image that is no longer here. How good is that? So let's try again, just to give it a try. Colorado.com. Okay, so that's my site. It doesn't have the open graph image. Colorado web app for tutorials. Alright, so let's hit submit. Okay, so it has been created, so you can go have a look. Okay, so that one is here, Colorado. If I delete, it's instantly gone. Come back here, it is no longer there because the state or the context also has been updated. Beautiful. All right, so let's work on this delete. So let me just comment that out, and we try catch any error, console log error, and we alert as well. Delete failed. So I can use emoji here. Insert emoji frog. Okay, so here we want to make a request to backend. So const data equals to, we use Axios, make a delete request to the link. We're going to call that link and delete, and we have to send the link ID, which we get as a argument here from that on press. All right, so make a request to that, and then once we get the successful response, you want to update the list here immediately. You want to remove the one that has been just deleted, right? So for that we can use index. We can use find index function. We can apply that to the links that we have in the state, that is user links, right? So user links, so that would be user links, find index, that link, and if that link ID matches this argument link which has been just deleted, then we want to slice that out. So use the splice function. Again, that one is user links dot splice. Find that item wherever that is based on the index, and then just remove one from that index, which will remove this link, and then return all the links. Now this is for the currently logged in users, this list. Now this list is different than the list of links we have in the context, so that is different. So that means we have to upgrade that as well, right? Unless you only update the context, then redirect the user. Unless you do that, you have to do both. So let's do both. All right, so let's copy this one. This is for update user links. So that means we have to also change this to set user links. So let me double check just to avoid any typos. Set user links. Okay, so that's correct. Okay, so this was set user links, and next one is for update context. Okay, so this time it will just set links, and it will be just links. Beautiful. So this way we update the user links in this local context, local state, and we set links in the global context as well. Could not find name set links. Let me just double check. Set link. Okay, it's not links, just link. Should be links. Let me just quickly check this context. Links. Okay, it is links. Sorry, my bad. It is links. So that means we have to fix this here. Links. Awesome. All right. Now at the moment, obviously it will not work because we didn't have that endpoint link delete. So let's go ahead, create that delete endpoint and give it a try. Hopefully everything works at one go.